I'm Grace with Music Mastery, and this video we will be covering how to set up our saxophones, our playing position, as well as our posture. So, one thing you want to make sure that you're starting with is a good chair. So the chair, make sure that it has a backing to it, as well as that it doesn't have any wheels, because we don't want to be moving while we play. And then let's go ahead and start with, how do we put together the saxophone? We want to make sure that when we start opening our case that it's on the ground. It's at the lowest point that it can be at, so it's not falling off or sliding off of a bed or a chair. It's safest on the ground. So let's go ahead and open the case. Make sure you put your neck strap on so it's ready for the saxophone. And then what we'll do is we'll grab a reed. And during this time of us putting our saxophone together, we're just gonna have the reed in our mouth. So I won't do that right now because you wouldn't be able to understand what I'm saying. But pop the reed in your mouth. This will give it time to soak, okay? And the first piece we're gonna grab is the biggest, the body of the saxophone. So I handle it by the bell so you're not holding any keys. And then what we're gonna do is hook it up to our neck strap. So it could be, you could have a neck strap with a little hook or a little latch. And what we're gonna hook it up to is on this little circle right on the back part of this long piece. Hook that up, and what you'll do is just lay it in your lap, okay? It's pretty safe right there. The next piece we're gonna grab from our case is gonna be the neck. So it looks like this. And what we're gonna do is unloosen our little twisty thing up here, and I like to hold it right underneath so you don't put pressure on the octave key because it's very gentle. So we're gonna just use a twisting motion as we put the neck into the saxophone body. And then what we'll do is there's a little piece, a little outline of the neck right here. You're gonna line it up with the little rubber piece right on the body of the saxophone, and go ahead and tighten the neck into the body. Okay, last part we're gonna grab is the mouthpiece and ligature. So I like to take the ligature off when I'm putting the mouthpiece on. We're just gonna hold it and use a twisting motion onto the cork. So if your mouthpiece is having problems moving onto the cork, go ahead and use some cork grease with your finger, or if it's in a stick, and just apply a thin layer of the cork grease. It'll make the mouthpiece slide on a lot better. And then we're gonna take our ligature, the metal piece, and put it on. So now you're gonna take the reed out of your mouth, and I like to move the ligature up just a little bit so I can add some space to slide that reed in. Okay, and so when you have the ligature on, go ahead and unloosen it just slightly so you can put it down. You want the ligature coming further down on the mouthpiece so there's a little of the black still before you have the ligature there. And then we are going to line up the reed so there's a little, you can't see it on the camera, but there's a little slice of black right on the tip, okay? And you want to center it on the mouthpiece so you don't have the reed over there or over there. You want it right in the middle. And then go ahead and tighten that on. You just need it as tight as, you don't need it super tight, but you want it tight enough so the reed's not moving. That is how you put on the saxophone all together, okay? So now, since we have that, we're gonna work on our posture. So go ahead and just take a deep breath in. Relax, take one more in. We want our posture to be so relaxed, so we're not taking in like sharp breaths of air that affect our tone later. And so you're gonna use that backing of your chair. Make sure you scoot up a little in the chair, just so you're on the edge of the chair. And then with your saxophone and legs, you wanna make sure your legs are in a 90-degree angle with your feet right there. And then take in that deep breath and relax. And think of your back as having like a string pulling out of it. You're just kind of stay tall even though you're sitting. And then with our saxophone, we have our neck strap that we put on, okay? So we are going to either tighten or loosen the neck strap. I'll show you what not to do. You don't want your saxophone all the way down here, because then you can't really breathe here. And then if you have it too high, you just look uncomfortable. So go ahead and loosen it so when you bring it up, it comes right up to your mouth, okay? So adjust that if you need to pull it down or pull it up, and that will be your playing position. Now when talking about the hands, we're just gonna leave a kind of relaxed C shape. So our fingers, we're gonna place the bottom first. So there's a little black piece right here. We're gonna put our thumb resting under that and put our fingers on the little circle pearl keys, okay? And then for our left hand, there's another little black piece back here, and we're gonna find our keys. We're gonna put it on the first, then we're gonna skip this little key and put it on the next biggest key. And then our ring finger will go on this next piece. And then our left hand pinky just kind of rests there. We don't need to press it yet, but that's just kind of where our fingers are gonna lay for this. And then when you're in playing position, go ahead and put your hands how we talked about, right under this hook and on the black thing. And with your awesome neck strap length, that's how we're gonna play. And so what we'll do is with breathing and tone production, we're gonna go over that in the next video. So go ahead and look at that for more information about that, okay?